but I bought a new handbag and really wanted to show it to you before I'll start wearing it. So recently I filmed a review video of my Dolce Gabbana Sicily bag in a medium size, and I realized how much I actually enjoy this handbag and I love it so much. So I really wanted to get the small Sicily handbag because I don't have this size in a really fun color. So that's what I did, and my new bag is inside this pretty dust bag. On here you can see the Dolce Gabbana logo, and I got the small Sicily bag in this really vibrant pink. Isn't this bag so gorgeous? It's so cute and I love it so much. It's so pretty. I'm so obsessed with the color. I love it. And it has gold hardware, as you can see, and on here it has the Dolce Gabbana stamp. And let me put off the sticker. I haven't worn it. And here you can see it. And it doesn't have any feet on the bottom, unlike the medium size, just if you're curious. And in here I still have all the papers, but it does have a magnetic closure. And here is the shoulder strap. I'll show it to you in a minute. Here's all the papers, and also the authenticity card and a little booklet. And let me tell you the exact color name. It's called Rosa Geranio, and it's in this gorgeous Dauphine leather, which is so pretty. I just love the Dolce Gabbana leather. And on the inside it has a little pocket in the back where it says Dolce Gabbana Sicily, and in the medium-sized handbags there is the iconic Dolce Gabbana mirror inside, but apparently the small size doesn't have a mirror, which I actually didn't know before buying this handbag, but it's okay, I think. And on the front it has a flap compartment as well, where my phone fits in really easily. So this bag is actually pretty spacious, I think, and also you can see it's fully lined with the gorgeous Dolce Gabbana leopard print. But let's put on the shoulder strap. Here is the little dust bag, and the shoulder strap is made out of this really thin leather. And let's put it on. The shoulder strap is actually adjustable, which is always nice, and that's how you put it on. And that's the bag with the shoulder strap. I really plan on wearing it as a crossbody bag, but also just without the shoulder strap as a top-handle bag. I feel like this handbag is so classy. You can't go wrong with the Dolce Gabbana Sicily bag. I just love this handbag so much. I think it's so feminine, and I really love the color I picked. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this handbag, and do you like the color I picked? I'll also leave a link for a few color options down below in the description box in case you're interested in this handbag as well. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope to see you soon. Bye!